I've done robotics since I was a kid because I've loved doing it. I've had a passion for it, and when I saw this program, I jumped right at it because it was something I loved doing.
I'm in robotics because it's sort of like a learning experience.
Well, I joined robotics because I thought of it as a way of making new friends, and I thought it was really interesting, just the basic mechanics of it.
I joined robotics to get credits so I can graduate.
Hi, I'm Chris, and I am in robotics just to learn more and broaden my horizons. I like to work stuff with my hands and manipulate things into what I can think be useful.
Well, I thought that it was like a contest where robots destroy robots, but now that I actually know, really I just like the building.
Robotics can get you anywhere you want to be in the future. For example, I want to be an engineer when I'm older, and robotics can really help me pursue those dreams of mine. Like, for example, learning how things work and how to build stuff and all that.
I see robotics affecting the future in case I decide to take engineering in university.
My future is affected by robotics because robotics gives me a lot of skills that can help me in the math or the science or the engineering field if I wanted to go into a job like that, and it can help me with my people skills, like working with others.
By having to design robots to complete certain tasks, I have developed my skills of being ingenuitive and being able to create something to complete the task at hand. I also gain experience in programming, and both of these skills that I would learn through robotics would be useful in my preferred career path in the future.
Robotics is going to help my future as it develops my expertise in the field of STEM and will make me a better worker in the future to come.
Robotics will help me in the future because it lets me communicate with other people. It lets me see what it's like in the real world working with other people.
Robotics requires a lot of organization skills and teamwork skills, and those can benefit you greatly in any type of post-secondary job.
I get to do community outreach through our club, not only with young students in the FLL mentorship we're currently doing at the local upper elementary school, but also through the elder and the older generations of the community through our partnership with the Friends of the Library, interacting with the elders in our community and teaching them about current day technology.
My robotics team has inspired the communities. We went to an elementary school where we saw young kids who were inspired by these little robots we had, and just saw in their eyes the ideas forward.
Well, for community outreach, I helped with the robotics rodeo last year, and I also promote robotics around the local hospital.
I've helped mentor the FLL teams when they first started up. That's about it.
I reach out to people with robotics by asking my teachers and other students questions, and then answering the questions that other students might have, whether it's at school, robotics club, or at my church, which I go to.
One of my biggest pleasures is to take these students and show them and showcase them to the community in which I live. And our community is responding in leaps and bounds to reach out and help students. I don't see any area of life that doesn't in some way get affected by the robots in science, aerospace, medical, history, school, whatever it is, automotive. There's always a robotic element to it. So I see a very unique future for the young people moving ahead is now reaching out. And in December of this year, I have a second privilege of going to Africa in Uganda in East Africa. And I'm going to take this technology with me as well.